And this topic is related to the women empowerment policies such as Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. In these policies, women are encouraging for the development and to get knowledge for their countries and getting job opportunities. Through these policies, women can encouraging them.
Okay, take your participation, please. Take your participation. Voice should be audible.
Dear friends, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao was promote for gender equality and reduce for female foeticide.
Dear friends, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao reduce Beti Padhao Beti Padhao encourage families to investment of their educations and also promotes girls who education who backward. They are not stable in their backward. They are belong to backward classes and they are not stable. So government provides some scholarship policies and also relax in their fee.
Dear friends, I'm totally agree with you. As we know, the situation in India of the girls are very bad because the rape cases and sexual harassment cases are be frequently be here. So to stop it and to stop this crime, government also.
People of our country thought that girls are burden on the family. So to reduce this burden, government started various schemes. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is one of them.
Take your participation.
Dear friends, the main objective of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao sex discrimination.
Yes, ma'am, and I am totally agree with you. In our male-dominated society, the women are considered as a second-class citizen, and they are mentally, physically, and sexually harassed in our society for a long time. And by this scheme safeguards the women in our society as well as in our nation.
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme launched on 22 January 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. And this scheme is main objective of to address the issue of decline child sex ratio, and with the help of this scheme we empower the women and we educate the women. If we educate the women, we educate our family and our family.
Dear friend, I am totally agree with you. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme is promoted sex ratio and gender equality and reduce female foeticide. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign is good because it is an opportunity of women equality in our society.
Dear friend, I am totally agree with you. This scheme launched on 22 January 2015 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The main object of this scheme is to decline the child sex ratio, and by the help of this scheme we can empower the women in our society as well as in our
Only girls are allowed.
Yes, you are right. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a necessity for us because it promotes child sex ratio and it is reduced to female foeticides.
Komal, would you like to add something else?
The main object